He just blew up, sometimes that's okay. I ran my mouth off a bit, so I'm not sure what did I say. He just left it off and it was all okay.
Kristen. Yeah, with number 8, Omar and Giulia.
Take a seat, right over there, sit on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare, and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive, I'm not weak, then I've good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me closer?
to the treasure.